Scientists, astronomers, and the curious gathered at the Infinity Science Center in Hancock County to witness a rare phenomenon. Through a couple of high-powered telescopes, the planet buffs watched as Venus crossed in front of the sun. Tonight, Al Showers has Coast reaction to this pretty historic event.
It's only been recorded 7 times since the year 1639.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime celestial event. It's one of the rarest things to ever happen. The next one won't happen till 2117, so 105 years from now.
Carla Johns headed up the Infinity viewing and was fascinated at what she saw.
It's something that I will remember for a lifetime. I'm not even going to bother to take any pictures because I have memorized what it looks like in my brains.
The small dot you see is the planet Venus orbiting in front of the sun, a sight to behold for most.
Yeah, so it's just a tiny little thing?
Alec Carenz could hardly believe his eyes.
When I first saw it, I thought it was just a little imperfection in the lens I was looking through, but it's, I mean, like I was saying, it'll be a bit more present in you know, probably 10 minutes.
Astronomers say the sheer size of the sun and the distance from Earth makes Venus appear to be a tiny dot. It's actually about 60 million miles away from the sun.
Well, it is a little tiny, but you got to kind of think about the implications of what it is that, you know, back in the early days of telescopes and astronomy, that's really one of the only ways we realized there were other planets was that for them to pass between us and the sun. So we're just kind of continuing this chain of history, which is, you know, when you think about that, it's pretty epic.
It made for a very spectacular view.
A view that won't be seen again for another 105 years. In Hancock County, Al Showers, WLOX News.
That is so neat, and a lot of people could view the eclipse for about 3 hours this evening. The only states able to witness the entire 7-hour duration were Alaska and Hawaii.